Is your PC extremely slow? Does Task Manager show 100% disk usage even when you're barely doing anything? In this video, I'll show you several safe fixes that can solve the problem in just a few minutes. Let's get straight to the first fix. Fix number 1. Restart your PC. Before changing any settings, restart your computer. Sometimes Windows gets stuck running background processes, and a simple restart can clear them. If the problem comes back after restarting, move on to the next fix. Fix number 2. Check what's using your disk. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the Processes tab. Then click the Disk column to sort programs by disk usage. If one application is constantly using your drive, you'll know exactly what's causing the problem. Fix number 3. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Open Task Manager again and go to Startup Apps. Disable programs you don't need every time Windows starts. Too many startup apps can keep your disk busy in the background and slow down your entire PC. Fix number 4. Run Storage Sense. Open Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Windows will automatically remove temporary files and help keep your drive clean. Fix number 5. Check Windows Update. Go to Settings, then Windows Update. Install any available updates and restart your PC. Microsoft often releases fixes for performance and stability issues. Bonus tip. If you're still seeing constant 100% disk usage, your hard drive may simply be too slow. If you're using an older HDD, upgrading to an SSD is one of the biggest performance improvements you can make. Those are some of the easiest and safest ways to fix high disk usage on Windows 11. If one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Windows, Steam, Epic Games, and PC gaming tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.